Hey, what's up, everybody? Dr. Taylor, Aspire Chiropractic. I wanted to go over our weekly handout with you here real quick. Just a couple of things, and it seems like it's common sense, but it's also something that we might need to be reminded of a little bit every now and then. Number one, what you put in your body matters, okay? Good food, good water, just good ingredients all around. This thing, for all intents and purposes, is a machine. If it runs on crappy fuel, it's going to feel crappy. Runs on good fuel, it's going to feel good, it's going to move good, it's going to function good. The other thing, when it comes back to functioning, what controls this whole thing, right? It's a simple anatomy lesson, but I think we can all agree it's the brain, right? The brain controls the body through the spinal cord and through the nervous system. So if we've got a bone and a bone, those things are out of place, and they're pinching on a nerve, and that nerve goes into the body, what's a symptom that you might experience if that nerve is pinched? It's going to be some kind of disease, some kind of dysfunction, some sign or symptom that this isn't working properly. It's a really simple question. How much life force from your brain do you want getting into your body? 100%? Cool, me too. How long do you want that to happen? As long as possible? Cool. I want that for you too. So again, bunch of little tips and tricks in here. Just a little overview of our weekly sheet right here at Aspire Chiropractic, where we're willing to help you when you're ready to be your best. Naturally.